Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make an animated continuous looping line like you see on the screen right now. Start out on the edit page, go to the media pool, right click, new Fusion Comp. I'm going to show you 3 scenarios here all together. You can name this if you'd like to, but you don't have to, and leave it on 5 seconds. And go to Fusion. I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I cannot use my hands and arms. That's the reason why it's up on the screen in the way. I'm going to put the playhead at frame 0 right now. Click away, make sure nothing's selected. Shift space and S star. And shift space and S render. Plug it into the media out. We can go to one viewer for this. Select the star. Change the points to 3. And the angle to -30. And on the Y offset, go -0.05. Uncheck the solid. Put the border width 0.01. We'll pick the color for this one. Go to controls. We're going to connect the width to the height using an expression. Right click on the width. Expression. Grab the pick whip over to the height and let go. Now right click on the star node. Copy. Click away. And paste. Change the color to this one for your animated line. Then go to controls. With the star 2. Take the length all the way down. Make sure your playhead's at frame 0. Set a keyframe on the position and the length. I'm on a 30 FPS. I'm going to advance 15 frames. In the length field, put in 1 divided by 3. Then we'll advance 15 more frames. You may have to adjust accordingly. I'm on 1 second now, frame 30. On a position, 1 divided by 3 again. Take your playhead to frame 15. Take the position back to 0. Then I go to frame 30. Take the length back to 0. Make sure the star 2 node is selected. Open your spline window. Go to these 3 dots. Select show. Select the tools only. Zoom to fit. Select all. And set relative. That will allow it to keep on animating for whatever length you want to stretch it on the timeline. And that's that one. Now I'll show you the second version. Click away right about here. Shift space and S ellipse. Shift space and S render. and select the ellipse. Let's make an expression. Connect the width and the height again. Right click on the width. Expression. We're going to make one of these little swirly things like when you have a bad connection on the phone. Uncheck the solid. Again, the border width, 0.01. We can always change it if we don't like it. Let's go to style, pick a color. Back to controls. We're going to take the length to 0 and rotation to 0.25. Put your play at frame 0. Set a keyframe on the position and the length. Again, I'm on 30 FPS. Seems to be about 13 frames. Is about the right speed. Take the length to 0.5. And I'll go to frame 26, which is another 13 frames. Take the position to 0.75. Go back to the keyframe on 13, the first one. Take the position back to 0.25. And go back to the frame 26. Take the length all the way to 0. There might be an easier way than I know to do this, but this is how I figured it out. Put the ellipse selected. Open your spline. Zoom to fit. Select all and set relative again. If you don't want the little dot to show, go to cap style and select flat. And you can add the glow node to this too. We might do that on the last one. Okay, we'll do the last one. Again, click away right about here. Shift space and S star again. Shift space and S render. Select the star. We'll go to 5 points. Right click on the width. Expression. We'll set the angle to 20. Uncheck the solid again. And set the border width to 0.01. Let's make this one blue again. Right click on it. Copy. Click away. And paste. Merge them together. Go to star 2. Go to style. And pick another color. I'm going to go red. Go to controls. Take the length all the way down. You can see where it's at. Little dot. Take the playhead. Frame 0. Set the keyframe on the position and the length. I'm going to advance 2 seconds on this one to frame 60. Take the length all the way up. Now I'm going to advance to frame 120. Take the position all the way up to the right and the length all the way down. Let's see what we have going. Put your playhead at the first keyframe, frame 60. Take the position all the way back to 0. Open your spline. We only want the second star to copy. Zoom to fit. Select all. And set relative. Again, if you don't want the little dot to show, just select the flat on the border style. I'm going to leave this one. Set the second one in, rounded, so the corner of it's rounded. If you pick the flat, the edge of it would be flat. Select the render, shift space, and glow. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.